Hello, Matu Jamir, I'm Zohornbil TV. Nagaland urban local bodies election bishi osore ahia homoite Eastern Nagaland situation olai thagia dikhi pai ase. Eastern Nagaland People's Organization pa taikan itu Barbie election de part nalu bole kwa pichidibi ULB laga intending candidates ka nomination file kuria dikhi pai she. Idu opportunity de Home People's Council laga Vice President Barbie responsibility othai gina tai laga seat par resign kurile she. Tai kushi ki taikan chen moho resolution de jor pa khara kuribole pura koshish kuria homoide idu pratai manu khange fail kuri dia lagi ase kushe idu nishina konya kyunun prabi June 11 day 21 intending candidates ke samman kushe sob NDPP aru PJP party thagya khan ase eta tak jani pase ki Shamator town council pa ekta candidate tai laga nomination wapas loi loshe Longlang Tamlu debi intending candidate ek June ge public khan pra taige rukhai gina wapas phatai dishe Twensang town council de ja khali nomination laga last दिन तक भी एकता nomination भी फाइल हुआ ना ये वार्ड 15 असे चुनाव दिबो कि नागालैंड लगा 3टा म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल और 36 टाउन काउंसिल लिमिटेड जून 26 ते ULB इलेक्शन थागी बुले से इदु इलेक्शन दे सबसे पहिला बार 33% माइकी खान लिमिटेड रिजर्वेशन रखी से इदु लगा आगे दे इलेक्शन दो 2004 लोशे स्टेट ए 418 वार्ड्स से कुदे 142 दो माइकी खान लिमिटेड रिजर्व कुरी दिगना से Jakali June 11 tak nomination file kuria time thakishe aro June 13 de nomination papers kan laga validity check kuribole ase candidature wapas lobole June 20 de hobo aro itu din de contest kuria candidates arbi polling stations kan laga naam bi publish hobo repoll thagile June 28 de hobo aro counting do June 29 de hobo Naga Students Federation par urban local body laga election opportai kan kude khara kuri ase idu arbi junai gina naga manu laga identity aru interest bachai gina rakhi bole lagya koise naga manu kun pra customs traditions aru social practices kan rakhi bole pare iniga lagya koi gina naga nahua manu ke nalubi kwa do ahia generation kan nimide ase koise Federation pa aru koise ki maike manu kun non local manu logode shadi kuri lushe idu khan ke bi election de khara kuri dibole nalagya kile mane governance to culture or identity logode link ase aru itu pa Nagaland laga socio political landscape manai kushe NSF pa stakeholders sob ke idu support dibi koi gina ahia election do khali political hi no hoi gina Nagaland laga culture or social future nimide bi ase kushe
In fact, yesterday, the Naga Student Federation authority given a press release on regard to the ULB, a public appeal, where today we also want to express the minds of the youth and the students community today. As the ULB election is approaching, the NSF also feel the importance, underscores the necessity of ensuring the voice and the aspirations of the indigenous Naga populace are being represented in the decision-making process. And today, the Naga Student Federation wants to reiterate our firm stance on the among importance of the indigenous representation in the upcoming ULB election, where the Naga Student Federation advocates Nagas by blood, not by adoption. And the Naga Student Federation, why we took this step is to protect the rights, the culture, and the socio-political rights of the Naga people. Appeal the general public that whatever the Naga Student Federation have taken the stand, I think this is for the betterment of the Naga people. So inclusively, we want to appeal our Naga people that whichever candidate it is coming within your own jurisdiction, we want you to see that our Naga representative is being elected and is being seated in the decision. That is what we want to appeal our general public and inform our people.
Federation is here to protect our rights, our interests of the Naga indigenous people. In our statement, we have vividly asserted that this upcoming ULB election must be reserved solely for the Naga indigenous people, Nagas of Nagaland state. Naga by blood, not by adoption, exclusive of women married to non-locals, and inclusive of their offspring, are not applicable for this ULB election. Allow me to stress on that two points. People are confused. Naga by blood. In Naga Student Federation context, Nagas are united as one. We share four states, 2 countries, Nagas without border. However, when it comes to this ULB election, it is reserved and confined within only this Nagaland state, the Nagas indigenous of Nagaland state, which is why Naga women married to Nagas of Manipur or Assam, Arunachal or Burma, they are also not applicable for this election. And point number 2, Naga by blood, not by adoption. And according to the Naga Student Federation statement, they are also not applicable for this ULB election. And point number 3, exclusiveness of the women married to non-locals and their offspring. According to our Naga customary law, a Naga woman married to, let's say, a non-local, she become a non-local according to our customary law, our tradition, our culture. So therefore, those Naga women married to non-locals, they are also not applicable for this ULB election. Naga Student Federation in this ULB election will remain steadfast in our commitment to protect our rights and interests of our indigenous Naga, and we will advocate policies and practice that reflects our tradition and value.
Well, now today we have already advocated and we are appealing again, time and again, through our units, and we have support from the civil societies as well. Now the wisdom of the Nagas will prevail. Whether you want to protect the Naga identity or whether you want to elect someone who is not a part of Nagaland state and to protect our Naga identity. The Federation is also pleased to inform that because of our several appeals made in public domain and the advocacy of the Federation, it is made known to us that several individuals have also refrained to contest election in the upcoming ULB elections, which is against the principles and objective of the Federation. Well, some people may be confused that certain acts of the Nagaland Municipal Act provides a candidate or an indigenous to contest. Public are confused with that. But the advocacy of the Federation is very clear that we are talking beyond the Nagaland Municipal Act today to protect the Naga identity of Nagaland state.
এতিয়া খাতা ব্ৰেক ল'ব চাই থাকিব
The sun's out, and it's time to tame that lawn. Sure, there's more than one way to get the job done. But sometimes, there's really no comparison. With all the power, versatility, and accessories you'll ever need, you'll get more done in a day with Polaris.
Welcome back. Nagaland Governor La Ganeshan Pra Wednesday day to sal HSLC or HSSLC laga toppers rank holders or achievers kange Dr. Imkong Diba Ao Hall Raj Bhavan Kohima Pra program ekta rakikina felicitate kushi. Governor Pra khota kure homoy kushi ke to even though khali taikan laga achievement celebrate kure bole kani nohoy kintu taikan laga teachers families or friends kan pra support dia nimide we credit dibole nimide ase kushi. Governor Pra students kange box laga bahar bhabna kuigina nutun challenge kan lubi kushi.
Today, we have gathered here not just to celebrate the achievement of our dear student, but also to give due credits to the teachers, families, and friends for their unconditional and unwavering support that they have bestowed throughout our journey. The government has been playing active role and has been introducing policies and regulations to improve the education system in India. One such policy is the National Education Policy 2020, which is founded on the 5 guiding pillars of access, equity, quality, affordability, and accountability. The National Education Policy also aims to provide well-trained and most qualified teachers for the students of India, to provide critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, along with social and emotional skills. Thus, preparing our youths to meet the diverse national and global challenges of the present and future. Globalization has led to the improvements in the quality of education in India, and I am very happy to see the students receiving quality and skill-based education. I wish to see you all make a name for yourself, not only in the state and at national level, but also at the international level, as well with your ability and hard work. India is already the fastest growing economy in the world, and there are many opportunities for the growth, not only in Nagaland, but also across India. I wish to see the students present here to be a good leader of today and tomorrow, and be self-sufficient. Be curious to learn, be flexible when learning. Expand, increase, and generate new ideas and contribute to the nation building.
School Education or SCRT lag advisor Dr. Kekreloli Yomhe Pra we kota kushi program de taiba students kange jivan laga bhalsob appreciate kurigina agi jabi kushi agi ESA mokokchong alumnium Isaac Solo Pra inspirational talk ekta dishi kuda taipa kushi ke inspiration pra ideas kange action aro success de loi jai kushi.
Today I see in front of me the 2024 cohort of leadership who will lead our nation, who will lead our state, who will go all out to the world one day. And to all of you, I see not only as successful people, but future leaders who will lead our people. I also want to bring to the attention of our Honorable Governor the sad news that Nagaland also marks the highest growth in the country. So to all the successful students, I want you to remember this. Always appreciate the good things in life. Your success is a very lonely journey, but with the love of your family members, with your teachers, you are what you are today. Always learn to appreciate what has been given to you today, but also remember that along with your success, many of your colleagues, your friends, your student mates will or have fallen. One day it is your job to come back and bring recourse to them.
I was never a topper myself, and you clearly know what it takes. But nonetheless, I hope I can leave you with a little blueprint as you deliberate on the next steps in your academic journey as well as the journey of your life. There are only 3 things that I'd like to share here today. At first, it's the power of an idea, the courage to dream. You are here today because of an idea, because of your decision to act on that idea, your idea to do well in your examination. I'm sure that most of you had questions. Is it worth it? Will my efforts materialize into something? The most scary thing about such ideas is that we cannot control the outcome. Yet you persevered and faced those challenges, and because of that, you are here today. All this from the power of an idea. Your inspiration is what will get you from having an idea and taking it to a point of action. Find inspiration everywhere. You can find inspiration everywhere. Keep an open mind and inspiration will come to you.
Minister Jyotiraditya Miskinda Wednesday din the North East region de development anibole laga charge paise. Tarpa kushi ki North East India de development anibole hota hai Prime Minister Narendra Modi laga icha thagise. Aur ministry do North East de Modi laga vision pura kuribole kaam kuribo. Dr. Sukanda Majumdar State for Donor laga minister ase. Ministry 2 साल 2001 दे शुरू हुए खुद सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पा मिनिस्ट्री लगा थ्रू नॉर्थ ईस्ट लगा सोशो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट करने काम करे मिनिस्ट्री दो सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर्स डिपार्टमेंट और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लगा बिटोरे फेलिसिटेटर से
मेरे भाई और मेरे सहभागी सुकांता मजुमदार साहब के साथ इस विभाग का प्रभार आज ग्रहण किया है। सर्वप्रथम प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को हम दोनों तहे दिल से धन्यवाद अर्पित करते हैं कि इस अति महत्वपूर्ण विभाग की जिम्मेदारी हम दोनों के कंधों पर उन्होंने दिया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी की प्राथमिकता सदैव उत्तर पूर्व क्षेत्र पिछले 10 वर्षों में रहा है। जिस क्षेत्र में सूर्य का पहला किरण देश में अगर प्रचलित होता है तो वो उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य में ही प्रचलित होता है। वो आशीर्वाद अगर भारत माता को मिलती है तो उसकी शुरुआत उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य से होती है। इस क्षेत्र को पिछले 10 वर्षों में जो प्राथमिकता प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने दी है, शायद देश के पिछले 65 वर्षों में ये प्राथमिकता उन राज्यों को कभी न मिली हो। हर अधोसंरचना मेरे पूर्व विभाग नागर विमानन क्षेत्र में भी जो प्रगति और विकास प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में वहां हो पाई, सड़कों के क्षेत्र में, रेल के क्षेत्र में, आवागमन की सुविधा के क्षेत्र में, और आज हम और सुकांता जी दोनों ये प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं और संकल्प लेते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो एक विजन है उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों के लिए, उस विजन को पूर्ण रूप से साकार करने के लिए हम दोनों मिलकर मेहनत करेंगे, जी जान लगाएंगे और सारे राज्यों के साथ मिलकर एक विकसित भारत का जो सपना है उसका सूर्योदय जैसे उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों से होता है, वैसे ही हमारी प्राथमिकता होगी कि विकास और प्रगति की श्रृंखला भी निरंतर इस क्षेत्र से बनती रहे। यही हमारी कामना है और यही हमारा संकल्प है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
इतना करने मानिए साइट एक भी हम बिल टीवी।